Today, I'll show you how to seamlessly import live Shiprocket data directly into your spreadsheet using Coefficient. Once you've installed Coefficient, launch the extension and select Import From. To add a new source, select Add, and then here in the search bar, type in Shiprocket, select Connect, and then next, you'll need your Shiprocket API user credentials. We provide step-by-step instructions on how to find them here. So once you have them, go ahead and enter them here. And select Connect. You'll get a message that your connection was successful. So once you've authorized the connection, you're ready to start your first import. To begin, select Start from Scratch. This will open the import preview where you can choose the specific data you want to bring into your spreadsheet. With this connector, you can import data on shipments, orders, return orders, products, inventory, and so much more. As a demonstration, I'll walk you through importing your shipment data. We've already pre-selected fields that are most relevant, but you can customize your import by selecting the fields that matter most to you. For this example, I'll deselect the airway bill and select ID and payment method. You can also rearrange the columns by dragging and dropping them into your preferred order, ensuring your import refreshes in the format you need every time. Once you're happy with your selection, go ahead and select Import. After the data appears in your sheet, you can set up an auto refresh schedule to keep everything up to date effortlessly. Now that you've seen how easy it is to get started, you can begin importing your own Shiprocket data. Thanks for watching, and we hope you give it a try.